Are we on soon?
I think we're on right now.
I don't believe you. Hey, Samantha, are we ready to roll back there?
The Human Torch was denied a bank loan.
All the cleaning businesses out there, listen up. Breaking news! Breaking news, everybody. We got Tina. She forgot to leave her key under the turtle, and now Myra can't get in to clean.
That is a travesty. Cannot believe it when a customer does not leave the key under the turtle as instructed.
Or the dog poop. You can hide them in lots of, hide a key type contraptions.
Breaking news! We can't vacuum your floor because Tina shat on the rug.
Tina shat on the floor again? Well, that's a problem. We can't use the mighty for that.
No.
That's definitely breaking news. It's breaking your floor and your carpet as
Broken news.
Breaking news! Your team members are fighting in a house and your customer is giving you the blow-by-blow.
That is very unprofessional behavior.
Talk about unprofessional. I just had a whole glass of scotch before this. Breaking news! Your team just set off the fire alarm at the homeowner's house and, they're out of town and they're freaking out.
The fire department's coming. They're gonna be upset.
They're gonna have to pour some scotch on that. We about ready for a commercial break? All right, let's do that. Commercial break. You got any scotch?
Breaking news! While making a bed, your team uncovered a loaded weapon. They are scared.
Breaking news! Your team just broke off an oven knob on a $20,000 Wolf oven.
The day before Thanksgiving.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Can't get a repairman that fast. We're out of news.
We're out of newsreels, guys. Is there any more cleaning business owners out there that have breaking news?
Breaking news! Your customer accused the team of stealing $20,000 in jewelry and has threatened their life.
That happens every day. Breaking news! Your cleaning team has been in the McDonald's drive-thru for 1 hour, and they're planning on having more lunch.
Staffing shortages are a big problem during the pandemic, or so I'm told.
But
that's why the drive-thru lasts for an hour.
Oh yeah, that makes more sense now that you say
it's
it that
true.
way. Breaking news! Your team is having a fight with their boyfriend out in front of the customer's house. Call the zoo.
Why would we call the zoo? Breaking news! The team has a flat tire on their car and no one ever learned how to change a tire.
That's a real blow bummer. Breaking news! Well, no, but there's not any breaking news anymore. Hey, everybody come in here. Come in here and look how good we look. My beard is luscious, and your mustache is great.
It is. Breaking news! You paid cash bonuses for Christmas, and then some of your employees left before they even got to the first job.
Man, that's a real terror. Can't believe it, but wouldn't be the first time. They did it for Easter and for Thanksgiving.
Cash bonuses.
Breaking news! Your cleaning team has used a sharp knife to clean the glass mirror in your customer's house, and now it's scratched to smithereens. That happens.
Breaking news! Your cleaning team confused steel wool for microfiber and has scratched all of the appliances.
Breaking news! Your team's magic sponge just magically disappeared. So now they can't clean the house. I don't know. Someone's got to send them out some more magic sponges.
Send them by drone.
Breaking news! Your team is now using a toilet scrubber for a toothbrush.
Ooh. That is inappropriate.
Nice.
Breaking news! Your team discovered drug paraphernalia on the nightstand of a house, and they are confused as to whether they should report it or consume it.
Hey. Scooby snacks.
Mustache is so excited it's crawling off my face.
San Diego.
I think it means a whale's vagina.
But are we broadcasting from Albuquerque or
Right.
San Diego? I don't know where we are. Where are we? This is the land of entrapment? Enchantment.
Enchantment.
Don't get it wrong.
We do not have whales here.
We don't have whales, but we have a dinosaur on the mountain. Well, in other breaking news, the skeleton and the cleaning team has slipped in the shower.
That is a workers' comp claim.
Workers' comp all the way.
That's gonna hurt your insurance rates next year.
Breaking news! Your team got in a mop fight in the front yard of the customer's residence. What?
Why do we have 2 mops?
Yeah, that's weird. Did they steal another mop from the neighbor? Something? I don't know.
Breaking news! Your team backed into a very exotic rare plant in someone's driveway.
Better fly one in from Honduras or somewhere tropical.
Correct.
You gotta replace those. Breaking news! Your team accidentally poured soapy chemical water all over your customer's new lawn. Oops. At least they have 1 more week till they find out.
Breaking news! Your team let out your customers' chinchillas and they are loose in the neighborhood.
Breaking news! Your teams are doing donuts in the field next to the customer's house.
That is not a good look.
Should we stop them? That sounds kind of fun, actually. Maybe we should go join them. Josh, could you give me a little bit more light on my? I'm not feeling it. I need a little bit more. Yeah, there we go. Are we starting or are we rolling?
We've been live.
I don't believe you either. Nope.
Guys, we're still live.
Oops.